Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. And I welcome to the all participants for this program, batch 4, for the quality assurance program. We started the batch 1 on the August 15 last year, and we successfully completed the 3 batches. In the batch 1, we got a registrations of around 32 candidates, and in the batch 2, 18 candidates, and in the batch 3, we received nominations from the medical device industry company, the Sajanand Medical Technologies from Surat of around 22 candidates. And also in the same batch, 13 candidates were sponsored by the Cynet company, Bangalore based one. In this batch also, till date, as on today, we received 27 registrations, and out of these, four companies registered the 9 candidates they sponsored. The companies like MS Elpson Healthcare and the Precision Coatings and Mysore Electronics and IITPL. These are the companies came forward and then nominated the candidates, because as the medical device industry is growing, there is a need for the large number of the medical device regulations. This program is focuses on this program, and all the IBSC programs are accredited by the Ministry of the Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. As on today, we have the 5 programs are there. This is the one program we are offering on the online mode. This program is a upskilling program. This program focuses on the for
Hello.
Nituri?
yes, sir. Yeah. 2 minutes, ma'am. And we have the other programs are there, that is called a certificate in biomedical project management. This is also an upskilling program where to help to the our mid-level of the professionals to go to the next level, higher levels. And the other programs are, we are also started, the program is called certificate in biomedical engineering. We started the first batch on the May 20th, and it is an online program. Due to the pandemic, the candidates are not able to come down to AMTs here, so we started that program as an online. And the batch 2 offline training program will be starting from the 1st July onwards. So we have the multiple programs are there for the biomedical professionals, for those who are recent graduates. We have the program on the hands-on training on medical equipments, followed with the opportunities. We'll show the opportunities, we'll help the candidates to get the opportunity in the biomedical field. And we have the upskilling programs are there, quality assurance program, and the project management program is there. In the near future, we are also starting the other skill training programs for the biomedical engineers, such as ultrasound application specialist training program, focuses to the female candidates exclusively, in-house training program, not online, and also the laboratory training program. Also, we are also starting that program in collaboration with the lab equipment companies like Transasia. We have this largest factory in India at the MTZ campus, and the other companies like Ecorex Biomedical or CPC Diagnostics will be joined the partner with this for this program. And the other in-house training program is X-ray service training program. So these are the 3 examples I mentioned. Many other programs are also in the process. So IBSC, the objective is to enhance the biomedical engineers skills, to give the best trainings for them, not only to the Indian biomedical engineers, to the third world countries biomedicals also. In our programs, last time we got the registrations from the Philippines, African countries also we got the registrations, and this batch also 5 candidates were nominated from the Uganda. Hopefully they will also join the session. I request to the guest speaker, Chandranand sir, CEO to the Medivalley, to give a few words about the medical device industry and our AMDZ activities and the laboratory facilities, and how this program will be helpful to the candidates. Sir, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Naresh ji. Thank you. First of all, just I'd like to make a correction. My name is Anand Krishnan, so I'm not Chandran
Yeah.
ji. Yeah. Dear professionals,
I'm very sorry, sir.
that's yeah. We have this campus whose name is Chandranand, so
Yeah.
that's fine. Dear professionals, scientists, biomedics, engineers from all backgrounds of life, it is my absolute privilege to welcome you all for the 4th batch session of certificate course in biomedical quality assurance. A warm, welcoming good evening to all of you. So being a professional myself from the healthcare and medical technology background, I would like to take a few minutes to share the importance of this certification program. And in my opinion, how it nicely fits in the current pandemic situation. Okay. So as you know, I'm from this organization called AMTs at Andhra Pradesh MedTech Zone. So this is a 270-acre spread and 8-kilometer perimeter ecosystem, and it's dedicated for the innovation and manufacturing of medical technology. And we want to cover A to Z of the entire medical technology. But why? Why are we that passionate about this? Because our health technology, Indian health technology, is predominantly 75% import dependent. You all might have experienced a simple MRI scan would cost from 8,000 to 12,000 rupees. A CT scan would cost 3,000 rupees. And after the test, you yourself feel, no, what is there in this test that makes it that expensive? The technology that makes it expensive, it's our import dependency that makes it expensive. So at AMTZ, we want to stop this import dependency, this dependency cycle. And we are passionate to make healthcare more affordable, accessible, and reliable. And that's how we started 3 years ago. But now, pandemic started 1.5 years ago, and we have now taken on a greater responsibility. When I say we, the AMTs, all the members of my crew has taken a very greater responsibility. Uh, I would tell you, our zone has the capacity to produce 1 million RT-PCR kits a day, about 200 oxygen concentrators a day, about 200 ventilators, and 1 lakh PPE kits a day. So you can imagine how an organization like this, within 3 years, and realize the quality assurance process, a program is important. So whatever we learned, we want to share. And to add to this journey, this course also started, and you will, as while you do this program, you will understand where we're coming from. So while the world was panicking for the ongoing pandemic, we did not even shut the zone for 30 minutes. So all our staff members you have seen, they're all COVID warriors. They all went through COVID uh, because in spite of the COVID, we tapped the unseen strengths from us. And in spite of all those, we managed to get some innovation out of it. So what we actually created is an ecosystem where your knowledge, innovation, and facility all come together. So we created two gigantic powerhouses for innovation. One is like MediValley Incubation Center and BioValley Incubation Center. So any professional who has innovative ideas in the field of medical devices, such as sensors and instrumentation, or biotechnology, such as IVD, DNA, stem cells, we would embrace you, provide you all the capital expenditure support, prototype support, verification support, validation support. So in this cycle, we understood what is that any innovative idea would need. And based on that, we expanded our facility. We have world's largest 3D printing facility here with rapid tooling with CNC milling and 5-axis CNC, 3D scanning, 3D printing facility. And this is just to build the prototype. But when it comes to validation, you need some world-class facility with 10-meter and 3-meter diagnostic chambers, like EMI, EMC facility. We have got that. And 15,000 square foot of biocompatibility testing facility, gamma irradiation facility, ethylene oxide facility. All these we have built. And not only that, to cope up with this pandemic in a short time, we also built some manufacturing units, pre-built manufacturing units, massive convention halls, and strategic planning facilities. So all within this 8-kilometer perimeter ecosystem. So they are just like 50 meters away. So as you can see, within past 3 years, we have seen the product life cycle of several products in a rapid scale. Right from making N95 surgical mask through to MRI machine. We innovated and manufactured everything in this zone. Is not exactly that we did. That's not the point I'm trying to make. If all these, what we learned in 3 years, we made quick mistakes and we also learned our quick lessons. And we realized a organized approach such as quality assurance system is of utmost importance. Okay, what we learned in an army way, we would like to produce that is in a training form. And this certification program, I see, having a thorough understanding of the risk management, medical device regulation, medical technology quality systems, product development cycle, right from design through to the verification, validation, and clinical trials. I feel this is a must-have knowledge for professionals like you. I would like to convey my best wishes to you all, and I hope you enjoy this entire coursework. And thanks to Rajshri Oja ma'am for handling this session. And lastly, I would like to add one important point. At the end of this training program, if you have an innovative idea, kindly please do not bury it. See if you can pursue in a career of entrepreneurship in medtech or biotech industry. Kindly come and talk to us. The course coordinator is there. We made special instructions to him to listen to you. So please contact him. What we'll do is we will assess the real potential, and if it's worth, if there is a more than the business case, if it's useful for the society, we will offer grants for your journey, right from the idea to the product realization stage. Okay, that's one route. Alternatively, if you feel the vision of AMTZ is something where you can sync to, where you want to avoid import dependency and also make affordable healthcare accessible, reliable to the people of India and globe at large, please join as a scientist in our organization. So I wish you all the best and enjoy your session. Thanks, Nariji, and thanks, Rajshri ma'am, for the opportunity. Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Anand, for your kind word and the encouraging word, I would say, to all the scientists who will be, coming forward with their ideas and, the whatever thoughts they might be having, but sometimes they feel hesitant to, talk about it. And you have opened the door for them. Really, I'm thankful to you. So, Nituri, do you want to say about any other points? Yeah.
Yes, I request to the participants to enable the camera. We'll take one screenshot now, along with the speaker.
Yeah, sure. Can you please open your camera? Can you switch on? So we will take. Yeah, yes, we'll take a group photo. So please, all of you, please open your camera for few. I would say 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah. A few people are joining also, so I have to admit them. For audio, you can keep on mute, please. Only video you can switch on. Okay. Nituri, I have taken 3 to 4 screenshots. I think that is enough. Few more people, they are unable to switch on their cameras. So let me. Yeah.
Thank you.
So thank you once again to each participant, and thanks to Nituri, thanks to Dr. Anand Krishnan for their time. And now I will take this session forward. I will be talking about Raj GPRSC first. Of course, you have joined this course with Raj GPRSC and Raj Pharma e-learning. So I have to take privilege of, talking about our own organization, how we work, what are we. So little bit about us, and then I will move on to the global medical device market. Is that fine? Say yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you should, reciprocate. So it will be an interactive session, so that I also feel like to share my knowledge with you, So thank you once again, and I will walk through my presentation. So just give me a couple of minutes.